Zumba, welcome back. What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be working on my Sportster S, guys. I'm gonna be installing the engine guard. So, guys, check it out. This is the instruction. It's only 4 screws, very easy. Check this out. Bro, this is 1, 2, 3. You see the hole is already there. You put the screw there. Make sure you put the washer. Then the bottom part is a little bit tricky. You need to remove that spoiler. It's easy. Just take that screw out and you push it with the finger out. See how easy it is? Next step, you just put the engine guard in place. Tie that on. Very tight, and you're ready to go. And make sure you put the washer on the back too. Back and front. This job is easy to do. You can do it by yourself. You don't need no help. Look at me. How excited I am. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Like that, maybe I get paid one day. It's not the best look for the bike, but at least I got some protection for the radiator in case I have 2 beers and I forgot to put the kickstand when I get down off the bike. This video is sponsored by Davis Barbershop. Yes, my barbershop on Jersey City, New Jersey. See you there, guys.